Hi, this is KARL-JAMES Langford of Archaeology Cymru. I've been teaching archaeology for over 30 years. At this minute, I'm teaching online classes, and I teach 9 online classes a week. And one subject that we're teaching at this minute is the archaeology of famous historical events. I teach that on a Monday, Tuesday, and 2 classes on a Thursday. Anyone who'd like to join us is very, very welcome. But I'd like to particularly invite you, if you're interested and you live in the Cornwall area, to join me on a Monday evening, because we're starting a new class and it starts at 7:30. We send you a Zoom link before that and it goes on until about 9:15. And even though we'll be looking at famous historical archaeological events from around the world, looking at Pablo Benito from North America, Greenland Vikings, the fall of the Roman Empire, and many worldwide archaeological subjects. If you're interested, then go to www.archaeologycymruonline.weebly.com. And if there's other days of the week that you're interested, then come on over and take part in the class. You'd be very welcome to join us. Any further questions, please get back to me. Thank you very much.